Quick one today, hopefully. This one has got a snap chainstay. Got to fix her up. There was a bunch of dirt like inside the chainstay that I've had to clean out already, and now we need to clean the paint off the outside. I've got a few marks on here where the chain limit is, and here as well. So we're going to put some little braces in there to stiffen her up as well. Customer says they don't care about looks, they just want it to be strong. So that's good for me because I don't care about looks either. We've cleaned up the paint. See, nice old crack through here as well. It's going to be fun. Just using a wire wheel like this on the angle grinder. Get that paint out of the way. I'll probably stick this back together and then start figuring out gussets and whatnot to make it stronger. Going to need a spacer between here to keep the axle width correct. That car is still in here at the moment. You might have seen that video, you might not. It's coming out, or it has been out. Who knows? Depends on my editing schedule. Those are the axles there that I'll need to put in to the frame. Going to be using my trusty Artec for this job. I've had this thing for like 11, 12 years and it's never let me down. If you're looking for a TIG welder, I definitely recommend looking at Artec. They are cheap and good. So there we go, that chainstay is welded back together. I have not been shy in adding filler rod to it. Now we're going to use this jobby to make some gussets. We need to make this fit in there super nice. That'll do, pig. So we've got that little gusset in there now. Gonna stick her in. All right, she's done. Hopefully that should be a bunch stronger. You won't see the man back again. She done. If you like that, make sure you like and subscribe. Whatever, I don't care.